session to this user, or rather I'm starting the call box, and then I press push to talk to initiate the call, and then I talk to the person. 1, 2, 3. And of course he can call me back. 1, 2, 3. Like that. So that's the callback, or what UMAPOC is calling IPA. So I don't know if we said that, but this application is UMAPOC 1.0. The whole group radio application is based on UMAPOC 1.0, and then with added functionality like group scanning, and the priority between groups are not that's not part of UMA. But you can say it's an extension to regular UMAPOC. So now I'm going to show you a groups call. It's very similar, and I mean the idea is that it should be similar, of course, to make it not so strange and cumbersome to learn about the application. So if I want to start a group communication with a predefined group, I can just join a group, double click or open call box to get a call box, and then I press push to talk to join the group. And Erik tillbaka med telefonen? There it is, thanks. A bit easier to navigate in these displays. So this user is already on chat1. I think all of them should be on chat1 group actually. Let's see. Go to down call view. So we are switching this guy is actually in 2 groups right now, changing him to chat group as well. So by pressing push to talk here, then I can address this community of this particular group. So that's one way of creating a group call, similar to what we did yesterday when we joined the chat group and a particular user starts to talk to that community. But you can also here create temporary groups. We mentioned that yesterday. So if we end this, or we leave this just for clarification, I can make a selection of 2 users here, for instance. I can open a call box, and then I have these 2 users in this multi-user session, and I have created a group session in a dynamic fashion like that.
On demand.
Yes. And these guys can also talk back to that temporary group members. So now it's becoming a little bit more complicated. My intention was to demonstrate